Welcome back. Some cricket now. For the first time since the inception of the Caribbean Premier League, Andre Russell will not be suiting up for the Jamaica Tallawahs in the 10th edition of the competition. As we hear in this report from Jerome Foster, the franchise plans to move in a different direction.
The destructive all-rounder Andre Russell won 2 titles with the Jamaican franchise in 2013 and 2016, as well as being trusted with the captaincy in 2018. But he has now made the switch to the Trinbago Knight Riders that is owned by his parent club in India, the Kolkata Knight Riders. The writing was on the wall that the 33-year-old was heading out of the franchise following a public outburst showing his disapproval with how the team is managed. Losing the franchise player is meant to be a huge blow. But for Jamaica Tallawahs CEO Jeff Miller, it is no surprise.
No, I had a very long conversation with Russell, and he have laid out the reasons why he's leaving the Tallawahs. Look, franchise cricket is a business, and we got to act it and act in that way that it's a business, and players goes from franchise to franchise. So look, he wanted to go with Trinidad, and that's his wish.
But if Russell's absence suggests darkness, light might be at the end of the tunnel for others.
Big names doesn't win CPL. We have saw that. We have had the big names, and we haven't won the tournament in the last 3-4 years. But what we're looking to have a team that is going to gel, a team that is going to play together, a team that is hungry, and a team that wants to bring another championship to Jamaica, and that's what we're looking for.
There is no sign of 3-time winner Chris Gayle being retained by any of the 6 teams.
All West Indian players is available in the draft, and if Chris is in the draft, someone will be picking up a Chris Gayle. You know what Chris brings to the team.
The Tallawahs have since signed Jamaicans Fabian Allen and Brandon King while retaining Rovman Powell, Kenara Lewis and Shamar Brooks. Other notable moves in the competition are Nicholas Puran to the Knight Riders from Guyana and Darren Bravo joining the St. Kitts Patriots. Jerome Foster, TVJ Sports.